Hello everyone, myself K. Sai Supriya and I am from CSE C section. Welcome to the concept video of programming language C. And my topic is nested loops. Nested loops. What is a nested loop? Types of nested loops. Working of a nested loop, example programs. What are nested loops? A nested loop is a loop inside the body of another loop. The nested loop is known as the inner loop and the loop in which it is nested is known as the outer loop. Outer loop. For int I equal to 0, I is greater than 3, I plus plus. Inner loop. For int j is equal to 0, j is less than 3, j plus plus. Count less than j. Types of nested loops. Nested for, nested while, nested to, do while, mixed. Nested for loop. For initialization, test, update, outer loop. For initialization, test, update, inner loop. These are the statements for outer loop and inner loop statements. Nested while loop. While, test, outer loop. While, test, inner loop. These are the statements for while when outer loop statements and inner loop statements are used. Nested do, while loop. Do, outer loop, do, inner loop. These are the statements for outer loop statements and inner loop statements while we use nested do and while loop. Working of nested loops, example 1. For each iteration of the outer loop, the inner loop is completely executed. So for example, for the following nested loop, this is the program for example program for nested loop. The statement, this is the statement, will execute 3 into 3 equal to 9 times. For each iteration of outer loop, I is equal to 0, 1, 2. Inner loop will execute 3 times, that is j equal to 0, 1 and 2. Also note that there are no brackets. This is because both loops contain single statements. Outer loop contains inner loop and inner loop contains single count statement. Working of nested loops. Example 2. If the loop contains multiple statements, then there is a need for brackets. This is the example when the multiple statements are there in nested loop. And this is the statement and it will execute 2 into 3 equal to 6 times. For each iteration of outer loop, I is equal to 0, 1. Inner loop will execute 3 times, that is j equal to 0, 1 and 2. There are brackets in the above nested loop. This is because the outer loop contains 2 statements, one count and the inner loop. The inner loop contains single count statement, thus there are no brackets for inner loop. Working of nested loops, example 3. If the loop contains multiple statements, then there is a need for brackets. And this is the example as given. There are brackets in both the above nested loops. This is because the outer loop contains 2 statements. The inner loop contains 2 statements. For each iteration of outer loop, I is equal to 1, 2, 3. Inner loop will execute 2 times, that is j equal to 1, 2. So total number of times is equal to 4 into 2, that is 8. Working of nested loops. Step 1. The outer loop is initiated with value of I as 0. Step 2. Value of I is tested. Since the condition is true, when I is less than 2, the loop is entered. Step 3. A new line is displayed. This is part of outer loop. Step 4. The control goes to inner loop where j is initialized with 0. Step 5. Value of j is tested. That is j is less than 2 is true. Inner loop is entered. Step 6. The statement count is executed. Value of j is displayed. Step 7. The value of j is incremented. Now steps 5, 6, 7 are repeated till the condition j is less than 2 becomes false. When value of j is 2, control comes out of inner loop. Step 8. Now the control goes to outer loop update statement I is in incremented. Steps 2 and 7 are repeated. The steps are repeated for value of I is equal to 1. This continues till value of I becomes 2. Then the outer loop is terminated. And this is the clear program for steps given here. And this is the working of nested loops. Example programs. To print the pattern. This is the program. Explanation. Outer loop, first iteration x is equal to 1. Then inner loop, first iteration y equal to 1. Then y is equal to 2. We have to repeat it till third step. And we have to check the increment y is equal to 4. When y is less than or equal to x is equal to false inner loop or over increment. X equal to 3 outer loop ever. This is the program and this is the output. And this is the other example for program to find the divisors of numbers entered. This is the program and this is the output. Explanation. The outer loop keeps track of the number of integer a user inputs. The inner loop calculates the displays. It's divisors. And this is the another program. Displays the multiplication table of a number till the user wishes. This is the program. And this is the output. Thank you.